Hey everyone, I just want to do a quick video on the night mode setting for the switches. Turn the lights or the backlit LED to a dim mode during the hours that you're generally sleeping. So what you'll do on the left hand side is that curtain button or the blue button. You'll hold that down and you'll get a menu circle just like this. At the top there you can see is the night mode option, a bunch of different options. As you can see in this switch I've already got one set up, the timer setting during the hours of roughly 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. So the light will be dimmed during those times and I can disable that as I want, whenever, wherever. You also have the function to set the switch to a constant night mode, and maybe it's a switch that you think would be on a constant night cycle and you don't need it to be lit. You can just turn on the night mode button, as you can see, and they'll be on a constant dimmed LED backlit. As you can see here, I've got a dimmer switch set up as normal, just testing it out in terms of that backlit LED. And what you'll see here is as I'll pull up the app, and you'll see a side-by-side. When I turn night mode on, that switch dims. So it's just slightly dimmer than what you'd normally have. And again, it's just to eliminate that brightness in your eyes while you're trying to sleep. And it is a well thought out application because it is much needed because the LEDs can be quite bright.